Okay, so now it's time to buy our own domain name. So my favorite website to buy the domain name is www.namecheap.com. So ito yung website niya. So the first thing we have to do is to search if PinoyBartender.com is available. Possible kasi na nabili na, may nakaisip na PinoyBartender.com. So let's see. Now, okay, yes, ayos. Ganun siya. So, what we have to do is just click add to cart. Okay. Siya. So, in total, we'll be paying $10.87. Not bad. And, check out. So here we'll be asked na mag-log in. So just log in. And those are my information. Check out na ako. Okay, at this point, meron lang siyang hihinging mga information like domain auto-renew settings. So, automatically renew for expiration. Kasi ang domain name natin, na-register lang siya in specific period of time. Pwedeng register 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. So, dito sa Namecheap, default is 1 year. So, it's advisable na i-tick natin yung automatically renew before expiration. Kasi risky na baka pag na-expire siya, then after a minute na expire siya, pwedeng bilhin na ng iba. So, sayang naman yung hirap natin doon. So, complete lang natin yung other information like this one is card. Name server settings. We'll talk about it later. So, these are free name servers muna. In short, leave it as it is. Save and continue. Okay, just complete the information provided here. And it's time to pay. So there are 3 ways that you can pay the domain that you have bought. Pwede kasing meron kang nakapondong funds. So if you have an available funds here, so I doubt na meron. So pwedeng credit card or through PayPal. So in the end, kapag nakumpleto na natin yung processing na to, payment processing na to, napabili natin ng domain, you will be receiving several emails kung paano ma-access yung account. Then, we can start working on a blog from there. The further instructions kung paano yung mga settings na gagawin, let's talk sa susunod na instructions na yan. For now, we're good.